Car Story research indicates this vehicle as loaded with features and a fair price. Features also include navigation system, heated seats, keyless entry, sync, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive 2012 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, power windows, security system, remote keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.